This video is an introduction to diamond painting word charts, row by row painting. So we're going to look at the word chart right now. And here is our first row. And with this row we have 1C, 3B, 2C, 3B, and so forth. So over here on this side I have my A, B, C, and D already lined up. And these four colors are right here in chart A through chart D. This is a 30 by 30 project, so I have my canvas here. Let me go ahead and get set up here, and I'll show you how that's going to work. So I'm going to start mine from the left corner and go to the right corner. And I'm going to do the row by row word chart, which means I'm going to literally do a row at a time. So I'm going to go ahead and peel back this. I've got a little 3M sticker on the bottom to hold it in place. I'm going to peel this back about 5 rows. And underneath this it is really sticky. So that's what's holding the diamonds down. And this is my tool, and there's a little hole in there. This is a wax pad, and what you do is you load the tip of that with wax, and that's what's going to pick up the diamonds. So according to the word chart, the very first one is 1C, and for me C is A, B, C. So I'm going to reach up here and I'm going to pick up a diamond. Show you what that looks like, and I'm going to place that in the very first square. Doesn't take a lot, just sit it down and you're ready to go. Next, 3B. 3B is 3 yellows. So I'm going to go into my second one, and again I'm going to go 1, 2, and 3. And I'm just going to make sure they're in place. Okay. And then the next one says 2C, which is 2 of the gray. So I'm going to do 1, and gotta be careful, you want to make sure you only get one at a time. You could have a little too much wax on there, so let's go ahead and trim that off. Okay, let me try that again. So 1 and 2. Okay, and then I have 3B, let's see, 1C, 3B, 2C, and 3B again, which is yellow again. So I have 1, 2. My hands are a little shaky this morning because I have had my coffee yet. And 3. So there's your 3. Okay. Let me see if I can tilt this up a little so you can see how they're lined up. And I need to go back and kind of just straighten them out. But generally you can put these in there and they stay. This is really sticky. The next is 12C, and that's gray. And then you just do your 12 and you go to the end. Now you're saying, this is taking forever. Okay, this is the row by row complete row method. This is the very beginner method of following the word chart. So when you get your full row done, you can take your sleeve cover and you can press on it like this, and it'll help put the diamonds in place. I'm not going to do this whole row on the video because it does take time, but this just gives you an idea. I'm going to take this off. Let me show you. They're all there. In practice, you can line them up and then just press on them. And when you're done, you'll have a full row. Again, this is the row by row instructions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pause this and take this out real quick and show you row by row, 1C, 3B, 2C, 3B, and then the start of my 12, and so forth. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pause this, and I'm going to set up for video number 2. And video number 2 is a different method for doing this. I'm going to finish this row off and we'll be back for video number 2.